Have you ever heard of Juneteenth? Well, it is coming soon, June 19th. Here in America, we celebrate Juneteenth, and it is the celebration of the end of slavery many, many years after the actual end of slavery happened here in America. Takes place mostly in Texas. A lot of the celebrations. It's recently become a national holiday. And so this book is called The Juneteenth Story, written by Alliah Agostini, and it was written in 2022. And it basically gives a history of this particular holiday of Juneteenth, how it came to be, why it's important, how people celebrate it. All right. But I have something even more exciting that I want to share with you. And it's written by the same author, her follow-up book, The Juneteenth Cookbook. This book is so cool. So as is traditional for most cookbooks, there is a table of contents that has all the different recipes. And of course, this book has different activities thrown in for kids and families. It gives the history of Juneteenth again, just really, really quickly, how to use this book. And it talks about the color red being a very important color in Juneteenth culture and traditions. So if you notice, a lot of the drinks and foods are red. All right. And it's just really, really neat. Red lemonade, Jubilee tea. I can't wait to try some of these. And again, like I said, there's different activities in here, like how to make your own Juneteenth attire. There's appetizers. There's the main dishes, of which barbecue is one of the big ones. And then some of the table and field games, like Mancala. I love Mancala. Go fish, baseball. And so, of course, like I said, there's barbecue, ribs, things like that. Making your own barbecue sauce, chicken sliders. And then this was really neat. It has Juneteenth field trips. So if you're looking for something to do this summer with your family, all these different historical locations, all these different Juneteenth celebrations all around the world, from DC to Fort Worth, Texas, to Washington State, to Memphis, to New York, California. Really cool. And so the last part here are the sides and the desserts. This one looks really interesting to me. The watermelon snow cups. I think I might be giving that a go. Love this book. At the end, there is even how to have a nice cookout DJ 101 with line dancing and dance-offs. Just more resources here at the back. Really, really amazing book. Had to share that with you. Juneteenth Cookbook, The Juneteenth Story. You don't want to miss these. They're amazing. Put them in your library. Put them in your home. Check them out.